Everyone talks about emergency preparedness, but no one tells you how many fake products are out there. I learned it the hard way before I came across the real blast-proof David's Shield. I've always wanted something compact yet powerful for survival situations, and this one stood out from the rest. It's not just good-looking, it's genuinely built for protection. The quality is obvious the moment you touch it. It's solid, feels strong, and doesn't feel like those cheap copies that break after one use. What frustrates me is how many sellers are promoting fake versions of this product. Some of them even use the same name and images, but what you receive is completely different. I've seen these imitations. They look okay on the surface but fall apart when tested. No manual, no durability, and definitely no guarantee. That's why I always tell people, don't go for shortcuts. The official version of blast-proof David's Shield is the only one you can actually count on. It comes properly sealed, with clear instructions, and the build quality alone is enough to show it's original. There's no second guessing with it. This isn't just another item you add to your bag. It's something you'll rely on when things get serious. That means you have to get it right the first time. So if you're planning to buy, make sure it's through the verified source. That's the only way to avoid wasting your money or putting yourself at risk. After using the real blast-proof David's Shield, I know I'm ready for anything, and I wouldn't trust anything less.